This video will explain how to connect the Blu-ray player to your home network and access VIERA Connect. It will also show you how to play PC media on the TV using DLNA. With the player connected to the internet, you can access VIERA Connect on your TV to enjoy services like Netflix, YouTube, Skype, Facebook, Pandora, and others. There are two options to connect the Blu-ray player to your home network, wired or wireless. This video will show you how to connect with the player's built-in Wi-Fi. To make a wireless connection, you will need to know your Wi-Fi network name. If your wireless connection is secured, please be sure that you know the wireless password as set at the router. First, press the Home button on your Blu-ray player remote and press OK to select Setup. Use the down arrow button to select Player Settings, and then select Network. Press OK. Select Easy Network Setting and press OK. Then select Wireless and press OK again. You will be given a choice to connect by searching for a network or by connecting using the WPS push button method. If your router has the WPS feature, you can choose that method to connect while simultaneously pushing the WPS button on your router. If you would like to search for a network, select Search for Wireless Network. The available wireless networks will be displayed. Select your network name and press OK. If your wireless network is secured with encryption, press OK to select Encryption Key. Enter your encryption key, often referred to as a password. Please be aware that passwords are case sensitive. Once your password is entered, select Set. The player will then run a test to make sure that all connections are correct. Once the player's network settings are configured, press the Home button and select the network icon. Then go to Network Service. The VIERA Connect screen will now appear. Use the arrow buttons to find the service that you want, and then press OK to make a selection. From time to time, Panasonic will add new apps, so make sure to check back. Also, the player's internal software, called Firmware, may need to be updated to support new apps. If the player is connected to the internet, then an update screen will pop up automatically when a new version of firmware is available. Always update the firmware to ensure that any additional features or product improvements are loaded into your Blu-ray player. To update the player's firmware manually, go to the Setup menu and then select Player Settings. Select System and press OK. Now select Firmware Update and press OK. Then select Update Now. Do not disconnect the player or shut it off while it is performing the update, which will take several minutes. The player will restart when the update is complete. If the player is not directly connected to the internet, you can use your computer to download the latest firmware from the Panasonic support site. Now we'll explain how to use your player to access your videos, photos, and music stored on a DLNA certified media server, such as a Windows 7 PC or other DLNA certified devices. You will be able to enjoy your media on the TV through your home network. With your Windows 7 PC connected to your home network, go to the Control panel. In the Network and Internet section, click on Choose Home Group and Sharing Options. Then, under the Share Media with Devices, enable Stream My Pictures, Music, and Videos to all devices on my home network. Your media file must be stored in the computer's library to be shared. Using your Blu-ray player remote control, go to the home screen and select Network, and then Home Network. Select DLNA from the menu choices and press OK to select your Windows 7 server. The content of the server will now be displayed on screen. Using the up-down arrow buttons, select the media you wish to access. You may be able to use convenient control panel functions depending on the content by pressing the option button on your remote. The control panel is displayed once the playback starts. If it does not appear, try pressing OK. Enjoy your Panasonic Blu-ray or home theater system.